You just hit refresh again. Like maybe this time it's gonna change. Sitting here and clicking buttons. Like this life is all a game. You only got here 'cause you're lucky. You barely have a single skill. I saw you try to chase your dreams, then fall apart to pay the